A 461, log rolled on it, completely smashed, but it still runs.
Will it run though?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, let's fire it up and see if it'll run.
Put some gas in it.
Yeah, might wanna give it some gas a little bit.
Gas.
We flooding it a little bit. We might not crank now, but oh, it fired. Oh no, we flooding it out. Of course, we can't adjust it or nothing because we ain't got no carburetor.
What was running?
Uh-oh! Listen to that fine. Well, listen to that, folks. $1,100 saw from Stihl that it got dropped, tree dropped on it yesterday, or rolled on it. It cranks and runs. Stihl.
Still.